Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a broken link on your WordPress website using the redirection plugin that is available for free. Okay, so to get started, we first want to install the redirection plugin into your WordPress site, and you can just do that. Let me move this over a little bit. You can just do that by going over to plugins, installed plugins, and you'll go to add a plugin. We're going to then search for it here, and it's called Redirection. Pretty simple name. And once you find the Redirection plugin, it is by the author John Godley. I hope I pronounced his last name correctly. And we're going to install now and activate. All right, so once we are back in the plugin page right over here, you can select on settings to get to the main menu section for redirections, or you can go over to tools and select redirection right over here. As this is a new installation, you'll see this for anybody that already had it installed on their site. It'll just directly take you to the redirection page. But right over here, what we're going to do is just start setup. This is just very simple, asking a couple basic questions. If you want to monitor or track any of the changes of the permalinks on your website, if you want to keep a log of redirects and things like that. For this example, I'm just going to select continue. It's not information that I really would need. But if it's something that would be helpful for you, you can always just check those options and select continue. I'm not going to import anything at this point, so same thing, continue, and we're going to finish the setup. Once that's complete, here we go, we will see the main redirection page. So to get started, you'll need to first have your original permalink for URL, and that will go in the source URL section, and then the new version will go in the target URL section right over here. So let's say if we have an about page, and it is, let me just type it in. Let's say the original permalink is about-us. We want to make sure to just copy that part of it. We don't want to copy the full URL, just the permalink part right over here. And we're then going to go over to the source URL, and you can paste it. You can also just type it in, but usually this helps avoid any typos. The source URL and target URL are definitely case sensitive, so we want to make sure that we're using the exact original version and the exact new one. So now for the new page, this is actually now the about page right over here. So it is about only, so we'll copy that as well. Redirection. Go back to the redirection tab, and then in the target URL, I'm just going to paste a new version right over here. It is important to see if your website or if your, the setup has the backslash at the end. Again, that's why copying and pasting is usually the best solution because you'll find it right over here. With some setups, you won't have the backslash at the end, so you want to make sure to not include it. But if your site does load with it, for example, this test site that I have does load with it, you want to make sure to include it in the both the source and target URLs. We're then going to select Add Redirect, and that's it. We have our redirect set up. Of course, we want to test it. One way to do that is just hovering right over here. It'll say Check Redirect, and there you go. It's all good. So that means that it is working correctly. I always like to do a extra test and just go back to a separate tab, and I'm going to type in the old URL right over here. And here we can confirm that it did redirect to the new page or the new URL that we have for it. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you would like to see more content like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to follow along. All right, bye.